Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to our Java DSA series. So we have done a lot of method implementation related to linked list, right? That is enough to understand what is the node class, how those nodes are connected to each other, and how do you perform different operations like adding node, removal node from the front or end of the linked list with some extra method like reversing the linked list, kth node from the end. Now let's understand now whatever implementation we did so far, right, that was related to singly linked list. Now singly linked list is not the only linked list that exists as part of linked list. Singly linked list is just one of the type of the linked list, right? Now there are other linked list as well, like doubly linked list, right? Now you have doubly linked list, singly circularly, doubly circularly. Let me show you that in a graphical way, and I'll also be showing you the same implementation in our uh, Java source code as well. So let me show you first in a graphical way, then I'll take you to the source code of Java also. So as we know, in our singly linked list, right, you had a node where first part was supposed to hold the value, and the next this part was supposed to hold the address of the next node, right? Now this was the node which was there for singly linked list. Now in doubly linked list, what do you have? The same way you have this next node, right, next pointer, right, pointing to the next node in the linked list. In the same way you have this previous pointer as well. In this particular node you have three sections. First points to the previous node, middle points to the value, and the last section points to the next node in the linked list. So this is for singly linked list, right, and this is for doubly linked list, right? So this is the node structure, right? Now you have other linked list as well. For example, if you have 10, 20, 30, right, if this is a singly circularly linked list. What do I mean by circularly? Your last node is pointing to the first node, right? So this becomes a singly circularly. Singly circularly linked list, right? Now when you have, let's say, a doubly linked list, right? Now in case of doubly linked list, what will happen? Your 10 is pointing to 20 and 20 is pointing to 10 as well. Now your 20 is pointing to 30 and 30 is pointing to this 20 as well. So now this is a doubly linked list, right? Now even your 30 can point to 10 and your 10 can point to 30, right? So now this becomes a doubly circularly linked list, right? So what do we discuss so far? First we had discussed this particular node, okay, where you had a value and the next pointer was pointing to the next node. This was the node from a singly linked list, right? Then we discussed about another structure of node where you have previous pointer, next pointer, and the value, right? Now this was the node structure in a doubly linked list, right? Now there are two more types. If your singly linked list last node is pointing to the first node, that is called a singly circularly linked list, right? And in case of a doubly linked list, when your last pointer is pointing to the first node and first is pointing to the last node, right? Now that is called a doubly circularly linked list. So I hope you are able to get the idea of what type of linked list exists, right? So if I have to summarize it in just a few names, right? You have singly linked list, you have doubly linked list, you have singly, circularly, linked list, and you have doubly circularly linked list, right? So these are what we have discussed so far, right? We have discussed two structure of nodes where one had a two-part structure and another had a three-part structure. So yeah, that's all I wanted to discuss as part of this video, right? These are the type exist. In our next video we will be understanding about how the implementation happens in the Java source code itself. So we'll be exploring that in a very brief way. So yeah, that's all as part of this particular video. See you on the next one. May the source be with you.